Hi, my name is Mansoor Ahmed. I'm a program director and an acting chief at Molecular Radiation Therapeutics branch. And I'm here attending the AAI meeting. I attended last year and this year. I wanted to make some interesting statements about the meeting itself, but whatever I say, it's all the opinion of me, not the opinion of NCI or NIH. As being said, last year, basically I was looking to see how I can merge the field of radiation oncology or radiation research into the immunology research. And I had put out a workshop to look into how these two fields can be merged together. Then I just registered for this AAI meeting at Pittsburgh, and then I came down and pretty interesting agenda, huge meeting, very old society. And one thing came to my surprise was that there were no presentations on radiation. No one was aware that radiation is not a part of immunology. So as radiation biologists think that radiation is having an important effect on the immune system, and they have demonstrated all over the place. And unfortunately, the society was not aware of it, and I didn't know what was going on. And one of the things was there was a big board where what topics you would like to have in the next year's meeting. So I wrote, I want to have radiation and immune modulation session. So the whole idea is to bring in the mass of basic immunologist thoughts into the radiation biology field. The most important thing about immunology is to direct the cytotoxic T cells to do the job within the tumor. And that's what I am looking for, And how do you do that? There are various ways of doing that. I think one way is the strongest way, I think, is the radiation. So the whole idea of me coming here is to get all kinds of pieces of information. And then I have the opportunity to write new concepts within NCI. And those concepts, if gets approved at different levels within NCI, a budget can be allocated, and that can be, brought out as a request for application. In addition to that, I think since I came last, and there's also NCI has something called provocative questions. So there are like 12 questions in different areas to be bold enough to come out with some kind of a research. And this is, one of the questions is related to immunology and immune modulation and therapeutic regimens combination. And that's what I sort of brought that concept into the provocative question, which again, there's an RFA out for that. But in addition to that, whatever new things I see, I can put the list up and create a new concept. And this new concept can be come out as an RFA for investigators to apply for funding. Basically, the way I look at it in terms of how immunology can contribute towards the cure of cancer is quite highly significant in terms this field can contribute a lot in this area. And the excitement is happening now because I have been working in this field of oncology for more than 25 years, and I have not seen this kind of excitement. I know that there were a lot of targeted agents targeting mutations and certain proteins that has helped to a certain level, but except for the traditional chemotherapies, nothing has worked. But there's new things that are coming up targeting certain immune checkpoints and immune agonists, and these are all really creating waves in the field of oncology, and it has driven into a lot of clinical trials. I think, the best way to put it now is that immunology is the best way to use all kinds of approaches to cure cancer, and this is what I anticipate. I'm excited about the whole field merging into the area of cancer, and it's a lot of excitement. You won't believe, because I was at AACR meeting. There were sessions on a combination with immunotherapy and other agents. All the other sessions were vacant, and everyone is concentrating in immunology and cancer therapy. So I'm excited about it.